So hello guys, welcome new game low start download हो गया start.
Over the long years, it's given birth to countless novel and mysterious creations. Among them are many exceptional hunters, but more of them are prey, vulnerable to being hunted. However, there's a kind of animal that doesn't seem content with either role. They are optimistic and brave, persevering and loyal, capable of quickly adapting to harsh environments.
बहुत मस्त होने वाला है.
Despite having different appearances and personalities, they share the same name. Can you hear it?
Wow.
They're calling out to their companions right now. A thrilling chase is about to take place in a corner of this wilderness. Wolf King Charlie is taking his newly adult son Alpha out for a hunt.
Alpha, today is your coming-of-age ceremony. I hope you can prove your growth with a perfect hunt.
Father, look! I found the prey!
Some monkeys? My silly son. Go ahead and give it a try.
Okay. चल भाई. भाई साहब. कोई अटैक करने वाला है क्या? चलो. अरे रे.
Darn it! These monkeys are too agile! They climbed up the trees in no time and even made faces at me in a proud manner!
Don't be disheartened, my son. Let me take you to hunt other animals first.
Okay.
There is a lake not far ahead. Maybe we can try our luck there.
This tree is so thin. I don't want to fall from here. Father, do you never feel fear?
Okay.
Fear is instinctive for all creatures, Alpha. Even wolves are no exception. When you can face your fears one day, you will have the potential to become an excellent wolf king.
So guys, like करो, share करो, subscribe करो. Wish.
Shh, Alpha. Stay focused and slow down your steps. We can use the cover of these bushes to quietly approach the prey.
अटैक होने वाला है शायद।
The prey seems to be completely unguarded. Attack now, Alpha.
लो भाई, अरे भाई पानी से बचा। कर लिए शिकार हो गया।
I did it, Father! Did you see this?
Well done, my son. Now deliver the final blow to the prey and savor the fruits of your victory.
At the same time, a deafening roar suddenly came from not far away.
Gosh, it's a giant bear! It doesn't look good. Father, what should we do?
I will never allow other animals to lay their paws on our spoils. Alpha, prepare for battle.
कमाने वाला ले भाग गया।
Father, did we win? That's unbelievable!
That giant bear may have a massive body, but it's used to fighting alone. Remember, Alpha, to become the ruler of the wilderness, relying solely on yourself is not enough. You must learn to harness the power of your companions.
I'll keep that in mind, Father.
Suddenly, contemptuous laughter from the hyenas came from ahead.
मशीन है।
Loki! Why are you with these filthy hyenas? What Father said was right. So, I have found new partners for our alliance.
You have disappointed me greatly, Loki. Hyenas are the scummiest and nastiest creatures in the wilderness. If you have any self-respect as a wolf, you shouldn't be partnering with them.
Quit with the old sayings, Father. This is a new era. In the wilderness, there are no lifelong friends or foes. Only lifelong... Watch out, Father! They're about to attack!
I'll hold them off. Alpha, you need to get out of here and let the rest of our pack know about Loki's betrayal.
मारने वाला है भी। भाई ये तो गया, आग लग गया।
Alpha miraculously escaped and returned home, only to find that the once peaceful and tranquil home had turned into a raging inferno. He shed tears of humiliation and unwillingness that they were insignificant in the face of the raging flames. Gazing out upon the vast expanse of the wilderness, he vowed to use his own strength to uncover the truth behind Loki's treachery.
Chapter 1.
That damn Loki. How could he betray us like this? Father, I will find a way to survive and avenge you and our companions. Everything around here looks so strange. Where the hell am I? I've been walking for ages, and I haven't heard a single bird tweet. I can catch a whiff of something nasty. I need to be more careful from here on out.
चल भाई
A lone wolf. Our days of patrolling here were not in vain. Brothers, let's go!
Let's go.
I didn't expect there to be hyenas ambushed here. We'll have to make my last stand.
क्या है मीठे के चलो चैलेंज रेडी Victory.
So close. The hyenas nearly bit off my tail. Can't even remember the last time I ate. I need to find something to fill my belly first.
इससे आगे मजा नहीं आया चल भाई किधर जाना है
There are some trees here with red berries on them. They should help alleviate my hunger for a while.
चल फ्रूट मिल गया
I hope these berries will keep me feeling full for longer.
चल
I haven't had a decent nap in ages. I need to find a secluded place to take a rest.
ओके ले लो
Days of running around have left Alpha exhausted both mentally and physically. After filling his belly, he collapsed into a deep sleep in the grass. Suddenly, a wolf's howl pierced the air, waking Alpha from his sleep.
That's a distress signal for a wolf. The howl came from that direction. I need to go check it out. You poor little creature. Even if you howl your heart out, nobody's coming to save you.
You despicable hyenas. All you know is ambush and taking advantage of the weak. Even if it means death, I'll take you all with me to hell.
She can't hold on much longer. I can't just stand by and watch.
फिर से आ गया। ले ले भाई। फिर से पीट गया।
Thank you for saving me.
You're welcome. Can you tell me something?
We're in Sunset Valley, the territory of Conan the Wolf
इसका
King.
नाम मून है।
My name is Moon, and I'm Conan's daughter. What about you?
My name is Alpha, and I'm a wolf who wandered into this area.
Recently, hyenas that were led by a mysterious black wolf attacked our alliance. That's why there are so many hyenas roaming around the valley now.
Hyenas and the Black Wolf. Is Loki behind this as well?
That hill over there is the Wolf Throne, the most sacred place of our alliance. I plan to rally the wolves in the valley, retake the Wolf Throne, and rescue my father.
But you're injured and can barely stand up, let alone retake the Wolf Throne. Take a rest here for now. I'll go gather some healing herbs for you.
I know this place inside out. Don't hesitate to ask me if you need any help.
Healing।
I've got enough herbs now. Time to take them back to Moon.
Thank you, Alpha. The bleeding from my wound has stopped now.
You're welcome. Let's find a place to have some rest. You must be tired too.
ले भाई।
Alpha, this might be a little abrupt of me to ask, but would you be willing to help me retake the Wolf Throne?
Absolutely. Your situation is already tough enough. And on top of that, my father got taken out by those hyenas too. Those vile creatures are our mutual enemies. But do we really stand a chance against the hyenas who have taken over the Wolf Throne? Not to mention the powerful Black Wolf, with just the two of us?
Don't worry. I just received word that the Black Wolf has captured my father and left the valley. Most of the hyenas have also gone with him. Currently, there should only be a small number of hyenas left at the Wolf Throne. The Wolf Throne is up ahead. Stay alert. Darn it! The enemy seems to have noticed us. There's also a gray wolf on the mountain. I don't know who it is. Maybe we should avoid a head-on fight and make a surprise attack? No! This gray wolf is too strong. We can't fight him. Fall back!
It's a glowing stone with various runes carved into it.
After staring at the stone for a while, Alpha fell into a strange state. A peculiar image replayed in his mind.
Alpha? What's wrong? You've been staring at that stone for a while.
I saw a vision about the wolf packs hunting, and it seemed like the wolves of the vision were teaching me how to hunt.
Could it be? The experience steel that you're holding?
Experience steel?
This is a strange steel engraved with hunting scenes of our ancestors. It is said that some exceptionally talented wolves can absorb the power of the steel by seeing those incomplete hunting scenes, thus greatly improving their hunting abilities. Would you like to give it a try as well?
Feel a surge of power coursing through my limbs. Even if I come across stronger foes now, I won't be afraid. Let's keep moving forward. I won't forget about you. I only lost this time because I underestimated you. I'll be back.
After uttering these words with a fierce
The darn wolf ran so fast. I didn't even have a chance to ask where the black wolf took my father. Now that my father is no longer around, Alpha, you are more suited to be the Wolf King than I am. Can I please ask you to act as the interim Wolf King and help restore vitality to Sunset Valley?
I'm willing to help you resist the hyenas and rebuild your home. As for the title of Wolf King, I cannot accept it.
You can give it a try. Then again, none of this matters. The urgent matter is to inform our companions in Sunset Valley of the good news that we have retaken the Wolf Throne.
Alpha stood on the top of the wolf throne with his head held high. He roared with a feeling of dominance. The roaming wolf packs around the valley heard the news of the wolf throne being retaken and returned home once again.
Great! Our companions who are wandering the valley have come back. The priority now is to quickly repair our home and provide them with a place to stay.
We need to find some animals who are good at repairing to help us rebuild our home. Primates seem like a good choice.
Do you need help or something?
We've driven away the hyenas, but the valley is a mess now, and I need your help.
Those darn hyenas have been driven away. We can help you repair and upgrade the facilities at home, but you need to ensure the safety of my family.
Princess Moon, may I know more about your father?
Of course. I remember when my father and I first came to the valley. I was a cub. My father saved me from a leopard. He's a great father as well as an excellent leader.
Moon began to tell Alpha about her father fighting against the beast to save her.
Hopefully these monkeys can be helpful. We need to arm ourselves as much as possible before the Black Wolf strikes again. There's still a long way to go, so don't hesitate to ask me if you're unsure about anything. This den used to be where my father trained wolves. You can train more wolves here to become exceptional warriors. Our wolves can be divided into 3 types. They're the brave gray wolves, the agile coyotes, and the intelligent jackals. Each type has its own characteristics, and they counter each other. But I don't know much about it. Let's explore more about it later. I am adept at leading coyotes. Let's train some coyotes.
I feel a mysterious force calling out to me ahead. Oh, it's a seal!
The steel seems to have a special magic that's captured Alpha's gaze.
Are you okay, Alpha? Just now, it seemed like you and the steel emitted a dazzling light together.
I'm fine.
The steel is called the Valhalla. As far as I can remember, it has always stood here. According to my father, it's a relic left behind by our ancestors. Legend has it that wolves with a royal bloodline can use it to summon powerful heroes.
Really? Then let me try it out.
If we use fangs, we may be able to summon a new hero. Try it.
Hey there, Jackal Elmer is at your service. The red soiled hunting ground is where my clan hunts and gathers meat. You should give it a try too. Prey often hides in lush grass, and we need to utilize our innate hunting instinct to find them. Now, Alpha, rummage through every bush. Then, use your memory to find 2 identical prey to complete the hunt. Try to find all prey with the fewest attempts. The Wolf Throne is the foundation of our clan, so its importance goes without saying. Prioritizing its expansion would definitely be the right move.
Bad news! Aragon is rallying the hyenas nearby, trying to retake the wolf throne.
Don't worry. It will take them some time to rally. We need to speed up our development and recruit more wolves to prepare for their attack.
Aragon will complete the rally of hyenas in 1 hour. Before that, we need to develop Sunset Valley as soon as possible to prepare for Aragon's attack.
Elmer, I got some strange shards here last time. Do you know what they're for?
These are soul shards? Legend has it that these shards can greatly enhance the power of the wolf heroes.
Is it really that magical? Let me give it a try.
Alpha, I need your help. The water supply in the city is not enough. There are springs to the southwest of the Wolf Throne. We need to take it back as soon as possible.
Leave it to me. I'll lead packs to retake those springs. Water source up ahead. Let's hurry over and take a look.
Be careful. I haven't been to this area for a long time since the hyenas attacked. It might be dangerous around here.
Beside the spring to the southwest, Alpha encountered a wolf with a peculiar appearance.
Hey, I am Alpha, the interim Wolf King of Sunset Valley. Our alliance is looking for a water source, and we hope to share this spring with you.
Get lost, outsider. You're not welcome here.
Since reasoning won't work, we'll have to resort to force.
Okay guys, let's go. Bye bye. Tata.